something. TikTok, let me tell you something. Nothing is more relieving than when you and somebody you love or you like or one of your friend them chat people business. I don't business when nobody want to say. You can't judge me, but you must chat people. Besides your outlet, what else do you think we can use to temper some of the stresses that we go through? Give me some. Many if you get one, I'll get one. Give me some ideas. What else do you think we should use as stress relievers or a subset or an outlet of stress besides what we use? So some people go shopping, but I know every time you gotta have yoga, a right pearl, yoga. I go ruffle some feathers. Did you know? Meditation. That don't work for some people still in a pearl because Eagle Boss said vacation, praying, gardening, listening to music. That is a very good one. You do both? No, man, me not judge you. No. Money, me not judge you. I just don't drink and I just don't smoke. Me not judge you. Me know people would do that. I'd never judge you. Perish that thought, man. Come on. No money. We love everybody same way. Now that's your thing. And we appreciate and love the same way, money. We love you. We love your feet. What I say? See there? John Cross him lift weights. Boy, what a name of boss. Jesus. Erm says sleeping, cleaning and cooking over here. The gym. I need to go to the gym now because I'm going to get big. Exercise. Oh, me not hear them. Oh, me not hear nobody mention one way where people, them not want to talk about, but them do it. Them not want, because everybody, all of a sudden, everybody morally high. There is something that is a very good stress reliever we will we do, you know. Because if it never do now, we wouldn't die. I would not drop from sky. Talk no, only no one socializing church or yes, Dorothy, my friend Dorothy. Yes, Dorothy. Let me show them what Dorothy say. Wait, Dorothy first said, Dorothy, you deserve a prize. You deserve a prize. I'm going to make sure so you give. Yes, that's what I mean, Mel. Yes, this is one. Listen, make we talk about this one. I don't business nobody want to say. Deep divers, TikTok, let me tell you something. And I don't business when nobody want to say. We have to go back to the sex part. But, deep divers, let me tell you something. TikTok, let me tell you something. Nothing is more relieving than when you and somebody you love or you like or one of your friend them chat people business. I don't business when nobody want to say. You can't judge me, but you must chat people. Chat. Listen, people are going to chat you too, you know. People are going to chat you too. So chat, hey. Let me tell you know this. Nothing brings a relationship closer. You see your woman? Are you your man? You see all me? Love it. You must mix up. People business nice. People business nice. Look, case in point. It is not our business to know if the Prime Minister have one next woman. But we make it our business because people business nice. People business nice. Me sorry me never have me sorry me never have what name there. Me sorry me never have the phone. Because me I tell you now, man, me would mind hear some people business in the night, yeah. People, me don't really, sometimes I pretend like some me nah listen to it, but me want hear it. Me want hear it, you know. I mean, I say, yo, me don't want to hear that, man, but me don't want to hear that after me reach halfway in a story already. People business nice, and it's a very good stress reliever, I promise you. Very good. Very good stress reliever. That's why me, yeah, man, bossy is with people business, man. Cause them are gonna chat you too. So because you come to terms with them chatting you, chat them back with somebody where you love, man. People forget. Judith, it's not like me telling. People business nice and everybody chat people. So, yes, people business nice. People business, you must talk about it. And you will be so shocked how better you feel about it. But about yourself. Yes, you see all your woman? Chat people. Listen, all right. When they call you with the people business and say, boy, you know you want to marry Jane. You know have to laugh your tail as a man, but do it one way. Do it one way, like you say. Like you say, boy, me not really want to hear still, but let me indulge you. Cause you can't make it look like say you're desperate to hear the people in business, you know. What you mean, best grandma, as long as it's not destructive, you're not going to act on it. You're not going to act on it, but people business nice. Especially when you know say juicy. Like who I get for button and you know, who have jacket pitney and them thing they are who, you know, and who are sneak out and all them sitting there, people business nice. You just have a temper your mouth because sometimes them there on the people them and them give you the hints, you know, but you can't hold nothing, you hold fridge. So you just chat. You can't do it so. But me I learn, man. Me I learn, don't it? Me I learn. But yes, Jamaica, it's important to have an outlet. Intercourse is also another one. So we could talk about the intercourse part now.